Dear student, myself Rajendra Asiri. I am assistant professor in computer science department at Government Bangad PG College, Nirvana. In previous lecture, we started a new lecture under database and management system subject. The topic was indexing and hashing. In indexing and hashing, first we started why the indexing is important in file system. So indexing is important or helpful while we want to access the information from the file. Okay, means if you want to select or if you want to extract a particular record from the file, then with the help of indexing, the task is very convenient and easy. Okay. Next, in indexing, we done about various types of indexing like primary index, secondary index, multi-level indexing method. Okay, and then we started a new topic that is on B plus tree, and we compared how B plus indexing is more beneficial than sequential index files. Right. So continuing that topic, up to this point we have done indexing and hashing basics done, ordered indexes we already done, and B plus tree index file we started in previous lecture, and some topics or some concept about B plus tree already covered. Now in today's lecture, starting with B plus tree. So in B plus tree, every node is having some structure. The format of the structure is given below. So if you see, a typical node will have P and K, where P stand for the pointer and K stand for the search key. So in this typical node structure, if you see, there are P1, K1, P2, K2, dot 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 up to Pn minus 1, Kn minus 1, and then Pn. So if you see, P entries are n and K entries are n minus 1. N minus 1 K entry and P entries are n. K of I are the search key value for ith place, and P of I are pointer to children for non-leaf node, right? And pointer to record or bucket of record for the leaf node. For non-leaf node, they are pointing to the leaf node towards the leaf node, and for leaf node, the pointer is pointing to the actual record or data, right? Now the search key are always stored in sorted manner or in the ordered manner. See, K1 is less than K2, less than K3, and so on, less than Kn minus 1. So in this manner, a node structure of a B plus tree dictate that it contain various P and various K. K values are up to n minus 1 and P values are n, right? And for leaf node and non-leaf node, pointer task will be different. For non-leaf node, pointers are pointing to the towards the leaf node, and for leaf node, the pointers are pointing to the actual data record or buckets of the record, right? Next, now comes the leaf node. So in a leaf node, it satisfies various properties. So properties of a leaf node is, for I equal to 1 to up to n minus 1, pointer P of I either point to a file record with search key value K of I, or to a bucket of pointers to file records, each record having search key value K of I. Only need bucket structure if search key does not form a primary key. Okay, so from for values I equal to 1 to n minus 1 pointer, P of I either point to a file record with search key value K of I, or to a bucket of pointer to file records. Now each record having search key value K of I. Only we need bucket structure if search key does not form a primary key, right? Next, if L of I, L of J are the leaf node and I less than J, then Lj's search key values are less than L L of i's search key values are less than L of j's search key value. Why? Because I is less than j. So we need to maintain the ordering of the search key values, right? Now p point to next leaf node in search key order. So if you see this diagram, here pointers are there and values are there, search keys are there. So search key, if you see, Brighton and downtown, and the pointers are there. If you see, downtown pointer is pointing to the next value, and Brighton pointer is pointing to a 212, right? And the leaf node pointer, or sorry, Brighton next pointer is pointing to the A101. So in this manner, we can sort the search key values in a leaf node manner, right? Next, non-leaf node in B plus tree. So the slight variation are there in case of non-leaf node in B plus tree. What is that? So non-leaf nodes form a multi-level sparse index on the leaf node. For a non-leaf node with m pointer, okay, all the search keys in the subtree to which p1 points are less than k1. Very important point. See, for non-leaf node form a multi-level sparse index. It form a multi-level sparse index on the leaf node, right? And for a non-leaf node with m pointer, suppose I am saying that I have a particular non-leaf node, and that particular node is having m pointer, then all the search keys in the subtree to which p1 points are less than k1, right? Second, for 2 to n minus 1 I value ranging from 2 to n minus 1, all the search keys in the subtree to which p of I points have values greater than or equal to k I minus 1 and less than k of I. All the search keys in the subtree to which pn points have values greater than or equal to kn minus 1. Okay, so these are the important concept about non-leaf node in B plus tree. Okay, so this structure of node we already discussed: p1, then k1, p2, then k2, up to pn minus 1, kn minus 1, and then final pn, that is pointed to nth node, right? So in this manner, the non-leaf node and leaf node are organized in B plus tree. Next, an example of B plus tree has been shown here. So see, step by step we will be learning. If you see the root node, in the root node, the value is Paris. Now this Paris left pointer is pointing to the Manus, and right pointer is pointing to Redwood. Two pointers are there. So this is the root, first one is the root, and this is the left part, and this is the right, and both these left and right, these are the non leaf node. These are non leaf node. Why non leaf node? Because after these nodes there are some further nodes are available. Okay, the node which doesn't have any child is called as we can say leaf node. Okay, and the node which doesn't have any parent is called as root node. So in this case, Paris is the root node, and Manus and Redwood, which are having parent node as well as child node, they are called as the intermediate node or non-leaf node, we can say. And uh, it means root is also a non-leaf node, right? Next, if you see the leaf node, so Manus left pointer is pointing to Brighton, and Brighton next, and Brighton is having two child, downtown and Brighton. Okay, and downtown is pointing to what in sequential manner Manus, which in continuation in sequential manner pointing to Paris, and Paris in continuation in sequential manner pointing to Redwood and Round Hill. Similarly, Manus at the first level is right pointer is pointing to minus, okay, at the leaf node and leaf node minus further pointing to Paris, right? Similarly, redwood left is pointing to Paris, okay, and redwood right is pointing to next leaf node redwood, and redwood finally pointing to the round hill, right? So if you see from Paris, if you want to reach round hill, then we need to follow round Paris right pointer, then redwood, and redwood right pointer to the round hill. So in this manner we can perform the searching operation. With by b plus tree we can perform some other operation also, like insertion, deletion also. So those insertion and deletion concept will be covered in the upcoming lectures, right? Now next, so if you see, this is a b plus tree for account table, account file, and n equal to 3, okay. N is the we can say the number of level, we can say, or number of child, okay. Next is example of a b plus tree with n equal to 5. So if you see b plus tree for account file n equal to 5, so leaf node must have between 2 to 4 value, because all of you know the formula that n equal to 5. So the leaf node value are possible is upper level of n minus 1 by 2. So put the n value here, 5 minus 1 that is 2, 4, 4 by 2 that is 2, okay, upper level, and n minus 1 that is 5 minus 1 that is 4. So between 2 to 4 leaf node must have, okay. Next is non-leaf nodes other than root must have between 3 and 5 children, okay, number of children. So upper level of the n by 2 and n. So upper level, if you write down 5 by 2 that is 2.5, so upper level is 3. So between 3 and n is 5. So between 3 to 5 non-leaf node, clear, and leaf node must have between 2 to 4 values. Why? Because the formula is mod or we can say upper level of n minus 1 by 2 and n minus 1, right? Root must have at least 2 children in case of b plus tree. Right? Next is, now up to this point we discussed about node structure of b plus tree, how to organize the search key and pointer value in b plus tree, and how many non-leaf and leaf node possible in a b plus tree with given n value, right? Now based on this we can make some observation about b plus tree. First is, since the inter-node connection are done by pointer logically, so clock blocks need not to be physically close, right? Okay. Next is the non-leaf level of the B plus tree form a hierarchy of sparse index, right? The B plus tree contains a relatively small number of levels, like level below root has at least 2 into upper bound of n by 2 values. Next level has at least 2 into upper bound of n by 2 into upper bound of n by 2 values, etc. Right? So these two important points are observed from the B plus tree. Very, very important concept. Okay. If there are k search key value in the file, the tree height is no more than log of upper base is upper bound of n by 2 of k, where k is the search key values in the file, right? Thus searches can be conducted efficiently. Now insertion and deletion to the main file can be handled efficiently, as the index can be restructured in logarithmic time. Now we can make some queries on B plus tree. Suppose find all record with a search key value of k. So we are given with the search key value k, and we need to find all the record corresponding to search key k. So n is here root, some algorithm we are writing. N is the root, and we need to repeat the given step. Examine n for smallest search key value which is greater than k. If such a value exists, assume it is k of I, then set n equal to p of I. Otherwise, k greater than equal to k n minus 1, set n equal to p of n until n is a leaf node, right? If for sum of I, key k of I equal to k, follow pointer p of I to the desired record or bucket, okay, else no record with search key value k exists. So this algorithm steps, these algorithm steps are self-explanatory, okay. We need to just follow the step by step procedure, and putting the value we will get the queries, okay. So the and the diagram is also depicted for this step. Paris is the root, Manus and Redwood the children of this root, and then they are further having some leaf node, right? Queries on B plus tree are having some observation. If there are key search key value in the file, the height of the tree is no more than log of base n by 2 upper bound of k. A node is generally the same size as the disk block, typically 4 kilobyte. So n is typically around 100. With 1 billion search key value and n equal to 100, at most we are putting the values of given value, and we will get 4 node are accessed in a lookup. Contrast this with a balanced binary tree with 1 million search key value, around 20 nodes are accessed in a lookup. So B plus tree is much better than the balanced binary tree, right? Above difference is significant since every node access may need a disk input output, which is costing 20 nodes access, right? So that's all from this lecture. Thank you.